Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome back to 10 Minutes English Conversation Practice with me. I hope you're enjoying my sessions and you have started practicing in this way. If not, try practicing it in this way to see the difference. I am sure this is really going to help you because these are very basic, very easy conversations which I pick up. These are the conversations which we use in our day-to-day life. We have conversations, we start having conversation with people with questions, right? So these are the basic questions which I take up and try to answer these questions. They're very basic, very general in a conversational tone so that it's easier for you to understand, relate, and apply this to your benefit. So here what you can do is whatever I'm speaking about or whatever question I'm answering, you can always speak with me. Listen to one sentence, pause the video, repeat after me. Okay, so you can repeat my sentences, you can repeat with me or repeat after me. Once you are comfortable, once you're confident, you can shadow with me, you can make new sentences out of it. You can come up with your own idea, your own answer and start speaking. I would suggest you should video record it so that it's easier for you to correct yourself. Give it 2 or 3 takes. You will see the improvement, right? Once you practice it once or twice and then start video recording it, you will see the difference, guys. This is a very simple technique, very easy technique to understand, to practice, and to improve your confidence and fluency in lesser time. And these questions are very interesting, very basic, and we all love listening to. We all are interested in listening to such questions. When you see an interview, when you listen to a talk show, these kind of questions comes up, right? So if you get in practice of answering these questions, it will be very easy for you to speak in English when these questions come up or when these kind of conversations are going on. So it will be easier for you to speak on those lines in English confidently and fluently for sure. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Do follow my advice, and if you want to learn more, do subscribe to my channel, press the notification icon, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section. You can also write to me from where you're watching my videos. I would love to hear that from you as well. So guys, on that note, let's get started. But before that, I have another surprise element today. I'm going to play a quiz with you at the end of the session. So stay tuned for that. It's very interesting, damn interesting, guys. Trust me on this. So stay connected. Question number 1. Which is your all-time favorite movie? Well, we all love answering these questions, right? Everybody has their own favorites. Everybody. And it's so difficult to pick one, right? So, and it's the same with me. It's so difficult for me to pick one movie. When somebody asks me, I give a list of movies and the other person starts looking at me and saying that I just wanted one movie from you. I'm a movie buff. I love watching movies. I enjoy watching movies. Whenever I get free time, I plan for a movie to go out and see. Or if I don't have time, I sit back at home and watch movies with my family. So I love watching movies, but I'm a little specific about what kind of movie I watch. I don't watch any movie and every movie, but yes, I have a long list of my favorites. So starting from my all-time favorite is of course हम आपके हैं कौन, दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, कहो ना प्यार है, कल हो ना हो. So these are movies which I can watch again and again. Apart from that, in the comedy section, of course, I like movies Bhool Bhulaiya, suspense thrillers like A Wednesday, then fun movies like Dil Chahta Hai, Three Idiots. I like this movie called Drishyam, etc., etc. So I said I have a long list of movies which I have watched and I can watch again and again. But these are a few which I just thought of. I mean, I can just recall. There are lots more. But yes, everybody has their favorites. I have my favorites in different categories like comedy section, thriller section, action movies, and romantic movies. drama, and so on. So these are the different genres of movies I love watching. Question number 2 is, what is your comfort food? By comfort food, I mean what is something which you would love to have every single day, or which you would love to have anytime, anywhere. So I'm a big foodie. I enjoy a lot of different varieties of food. I enjoy veg, non-veg, Italian, Mediterranean, continental, Chinese, etc., etc. But coming to the comfort food, I like home cooked dal chawal or a dal khichdi. I love this. This is my favorite food. If I go out and travel for a week or 10 days or something, so I just get bored of eating those food, and when I come back, the first thing I would like to eat is dal chawal or a dal khichdi with some curd, pickle, and a papad. That's it. That is my comfort food. I love eating dal chawal and or dal khichdi. These two are my favorites. It really re-energizes me and lifts my mood. Question number 3. Are you a social person? Oh yes, I am. I am a very social person. I love attending events, functions, whether it is family function or official functions. So I love attending all these things. I try to manage, if I get an invitation, I try to manage to attend that event or function, whatever is it, whether it is a birthday party or a conference or an annual event, office annual event, or a cultural event, or a wedding, or any sort of party or function is there. If I get an invitation, I make sure I attend that. That is the best way to socialize, guys. If you want to socialize, if you want to make friends, if you want to make connections, these are the best ways to socialize. And you'll get the right people also there. When you're attending a conference, when you're attending any meeting or an annual event, company's annual event, or any celebration or cultural event which the companies have, so you get to interact with different groups of people, right? Different teams and different group of people. So you will get to know more about them. It will help you to build connections and know more about the different jobs and opportunities as well. At the same time, if you're attending a family event, a wedding, or a birthday celebration, family or friends event like wedding or birthday celebration, or any engagement ceremony, or any other ceremony for that matter, housewarming party or anything else, there also you get to interact with people, get to know them more. You can socialize with them, right? There are lots of benefits in attending these kind of events and functions. It's really help you to grow your circle, whether it is a friend circle or a corporate circle. These kinds of events do help. So instead of going to a disc or a pub and making friends, I would suggest it's better to make friends at office parties or any other events or parties which you attend of your friends or family. Anyways, just joking. Question number 4, which is very interesting for me. Do you like shopping? Of course, any day, anytime, I love shopping. And especially, I miss those days where I used to go and bargain for, things. I remember there were days when we used to go to the market and we used to bargain on prices and all. But nowadays, it's all fixed. You go to the mall and, of course, you can't bargain there, right? So I miss those days where I used to go and bargain with shopkeepers and to buy good stuff and reasonable stuffs. So, but nowadays, of course, things has changed. We don't have time like to go to a wholesale market or any other market and go to 3-4 shops and then finally buy something, or more than that. We used to do that right before, but nowadays we don't have much time. And of course, if you'll go to a mall, then you don't have an option of visiting 3, 4, 5 shops or stores and then buying something. You go to a store, you like something, you buy it. If you don't like something, you get out of the store and go to the other store. If you like something, again, you can buy it, right? So that is how things have become nowadays. The shopping has become nowadays. But I miss those days when I used to go and search for nice dresses and go to 3, 4, 5 shops and then decide where to go finally and shop. So that was also fun. The whole day went in shopping. So we used to plan, like, tomorrow we are going for shopping. So we used to fix a time. We used to get ready on time and we used to go out. And then we used to come in the evening, spending the whole day out, eating outside, and then coming back home. So that was also fun. Okay, guys, that was the end of my question and answer session. The next section which I am coming to is the quiz section, which is going to be very interesting. Trust me on this. So are you ready for it? Okay, let's go. Let's get started. So guys, before starting, I'm going to tell you the rules. Here you have to guess the movie, which is a Bollywood movie. I'll give 3 clues to you. The first one will be a very general clue. The second one will be more specific and third one will be more direct so that you can guess the movie. Okay, so I'm going to give 3 clues. If you guess the movie at any point of time, you can just write it in the comment section. And if you have not guessed it, anyways, I'm going to give the answer at the end. Okay, so that you can cross verify and see if you can guess the movie. It's a very interesting game, guys. Be with me. So, movie number 1. So, I'm going to give you the first clue. The first clue is very general. It's a surname or a caste, probably. Did you guess? No? Okay, no problem. Clue number 2. It's a spy thriller based on ISI and RAW agents. And this movie was released last year. Did you guess? Well, no worries. If you haven't guessed it yet, the third clue is for you. The third clue is one of the leading actors is called King of Bollywood. And the other actor is also a leading lady. She's quite tall. She has a good personality, a very deep personality. Well, I'm sure you have guessed the movie. I've given every single clue which I can, guys. Okay, so it's time I should reveal the movie, the name of the movie. And the name of the movie is Pathaan. Well, I'm sure you must have guessed it, right? Okay, coming to the next movie. The first clue is the plot is the plot of the movie is of British India or British ruled India, and it's about land tax. This is the first clue. Clue number 2, the cricket match between the Indian team and the British team was the best part of the movie. If you haven't guessed it yet, guys, I'm sure you would have guessed it. It's very close, guys. It's very close. You know it. And if, by the way, you have not guessed it yet, the last clue is the name of the movie in English means interest on land, or it's about land tax. And one of the actor in the movie is Mr. Perfectionist. I am sure you would have cracked it now. Well, this movie is called Lagaan. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this session. I have really enjoyed it coming up with this quiz, and I'm sure you would have also enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you want more of these kind of activities. And the other purpose of this activity is also that you can also start practicing it in your own way, right? You can also pick any movie and start describing it, giving 2 or 3 clues, right? And ask the other person to guess the movie. So you can also play this game. It's very interesting. Everybody will be interested in this game. Instead of talking in Hindi, you can just change the language to English. You can give clues in English, right? So you can play with this game with anybody. And this is really going to help you practice English. So guys, I'm going to end this session now. I hope you will keep practicing, keep learning, and keep watching my videos. See you. Bye-bye.